The Dog Smart interactive puzzle, created by Nina Ottoson and Hound, sold in stores and online. This interactive puzzle is not just for puppies. At the age of 11, Fleming still enjoys figuring it out. The puzzle is easy to fill with kibble. It would also do well using wet or soft foods. The small white bones are placed over the food, with the higher side either to the edge for less difficulty or turned to the smaller side to increase difficulty. Made of a hard polypropylene plastic, it is suggested to hand wash this puzzle. I have also mistakenly placed the puzzle on the top shelf of the dishwasher, and as you can see, all the pieces are still intact. With good care and mindful use, this toy has been in our house over 2 years. We do not use this toy every day. Fleming would not engage with it as intensely. The idea is your dog paws at the white bones, uncovering the meal. You will observe there is more than one way to achieve this goal. As I mentioned, Fleming plays with this puzzle a couple of times a month. It helps to keep it look new, and it also maintains some challenge. When I place the puzzle down after a few weeks of him not engaging with it, he goes through finding the best method for him. Fleming has resorted to just flipping the tray over and releasing the food from its sections. Stronger or more frustrated dogs may choose this method. One more time, if you didn't see the slow bite and remove of the white bones by the gentleman. The Dog Smart interactive puzzle is easy to fill, easy to clean, and the puzzle is great at providing basic level canine enrichment. It works well for my medium-sized dog, but I would caution heavy chewers. Switching up how often you use this puzzle may help your dog stay engaged longer. Thanks for watching us grow.